physical change and chemical change. So here we have water, citric acid, and sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. So first, I'm going to mix citric acid with water. You see, this is a physical change. So basically, the citric acid, which is lemon juice, is diluted into the water as diluted citric acid. So this is a physical change because, number one, no new substance is formed since it's just diluted citric acid. And number two, since it's no new substance, the chemical composition remains the same. And number three, it is reversible by evaporation or other physical means. So in the previous experiment, we saw that citric acid is diluted by water where the chemical compositions don't change. This makes it a physical change. So now, my next experiment is baking soda and citric acid. When I pour, it forms a salt called sodium citrate, and along with water and carbon dioxide. So in this experiment, sodium bicarbonate is combined with citric acid, where the chemical composition does change to form a salt called sodium citrate and a few other byproducts called water and carbon dioxide. So according to this experiment, we can say that when a chemical composition of substance changes, it becomes a chemical change.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe ASquareLearners.